Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the next part in that shaping machine. In last lecture, we have started the second unit, that is shaping machine and slotting machine. In the first part, we are studying the shaping machines. आवाज येतो स्टुडंट क्लिअर माझा? Hello, students. Am I audible clearly? Students, reply there. Hello.
Yes, sir.
आवाज काय येतो तुमचा? हां. So it is very important. Shaping machines are the machines which are used for producing flat surfaces. आपण मागच्या लेक्चरला बघितलं. These machines are used for producing flat surfaces for vertical job or maybe horizontal job. बरोबर? So this is the shaper. So the shaper is a reciprocating type of machine tool. बरोबर? तो रॅम कसं होतो? रॅम इज रेसिप्रोकेटिंग. जे आपल्याला शिकायचं क्विक रिटर्न मेकॅनिझम. त्या क्विक रिटर्न मेकॅनिझम मुळे काय होतं? रॅम इज रेसिप्रोकेटिंग type of machine tool used for producing small and flat surface with the help of single point tool. So with the help of single point tool, that RAM is reciprocating over the stationary workpiece. तो वर्कपीस कसा खाली स्टेशनरी वर्कपीस होल्ड केले आहे त्या व्हाईस मध्ये, and in that job is fixed, and on that job that reciprocating tool is moving to and forward. So the flat surface may be vertical or horizontal. जो flat surface produce करायचा है, that is not compulsorily or vertical surface or horizontal. It may be inclined surface. So that is the shaper kind of machine. So we already seen the shaper kind of machine. These are the features. Single point tool used for machining tool. Tool is clamped in the tool post mounted on the ram of the machine. बरोबर? RAM च्या पुढे जे tool head, त्या tool head मध्ये tool fix केलं आहे, and it is a single point tool. The RAM reciprocates to and fro. बरोबर? RAM काय होणार आहे? Reciprocate होणार आहे. टूल कट मटेरियल. आणि महत्वाचा पॉईंट लक्षात घ्या सगळ्यांनी, इन शेपिंग मशीन टूल कट्स द मटेरियल इन द फॉरवर्ड स्ट्रोक ओनली. फक्त जेव्हा मटेरियल टूल जेव्हा फॉरवर्ड होते त्या वर्कपीस वर, इन दॅट फॉरवर्ड स्ट्रोक ओनली देर इज अ मटेरियल कटिंग इज देर, अँड रिटर्न स्ट्रोक इज आयडल. सो नो कटिंग ड्युरिंग रिटर्न स्ट्रोक. सो जॉब इज रिजिडली हेल्ड इन अ व्हाईस. त्या व्हाईस मध्ये जॉब रिजिडली हेल्ड केला असतो. सो दॅट इज शेपर मशीन. Producing a flat or plane surface which may be in a horizontal, vertical or an inclined plane, angular plane. बरोबर? फ्लॅट सर्फेसेस मला प्रोड्यूस करता येतं. आणि पुढचे जे स्लॉटिंग मशीन आहे, ते स्लॉट मशीन मध्ये आपल्याला मेकिंग स्लॉट्स, ग्रूव्ज और कीवेज, प्रोड्यूसिंग contour of concave and convex or combination of both surfaces can be produced with the help of this machine. So this is your shaper machine, which you already seen. These are the specifications of shaping machine. Maximum length of stroke of RAM. RAM जो reciprocate होणार आहे to and fro. That maximum length of the stroke of RAM. Then type of drive. मशीन ला रन करण्यासाठी कुठल्या प्रकारचं ड्राईव्ह आहे. देन पॉवर इनपुट. जी मोटर लावली इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर, व्हॉट इज द पॉवर ऑफ दॅट मोटर, दॅट इज इनपुट पॉवर. देन फ्लोअर स्पेस रिक्वायर्ड. मशीन ठेवण्यासाठी जी फ्लोअर स्पेस एरिया लागते, दॅट इज फ्लोअर स्पेस रिक्वायर्ड. Then importantly, weight of the machine, as these machines are somewhat bigger than your lathe and drilling machine. So weight of the machine is also important. Then cutting to return stroke ratio. Cutting to return stroke ratio, that is also important for any machine. Cutting to return stroke ratio. So these are the number of specifications. Specifications for any shaper machine. Maximum length of stroke of RAM. Type of drive, power input, flow space required, weight of the machine, cutting to return stroke ratio. Then these are the classification. Shaper machines are classified on number of points. First classification is according to the RAM driving mechanism. The RAM ला कशावर ड्रायव्हिंग मिळते? That RAM can be driven by first is crank shaper, second is geared shaper, and third is hydraulic shaper. Crank and pin मुळे तो shaper RAM move होणार आहे. Otherwise gear mechanism is there for RAM driving mechanism, or hydraulic shaper is there. So that is first classification. And second is according to the position and travel of RAM. The RAM position कशी प्रकारची RAM ची तर horizontal असेल तर horizontal shaper आहे. If that RAM is vertical, then vertical shaper is there according to the position and travel of RAM. So that is second classification. The next classification is according to the direction of cutting stroke. Cutting stroke ची डायरेक्शन कशा प्रकारची? पुश टाइप शेपर आहे का ड्रॉ टाइप शेपर आहे, बरोबर. Like third classification, and fourth one is according to the design of the table. Table ची डिझाइन कशी आहे? Whether it is standard shaper or whether it is a universal shaper. So that is your core classification of shaper machines. Shaper machines are importantly the machines which are kind of reciprocating type of machine. Reciprocating type of machine to use for producing the plane and flat surfaces. So these plane and flat surfaces may be of different horizontal, vertical, or maybe inclined surfaces. So that is very important. That is shaper machine classification. Then these are the different shapers which we have studied in the first part. So this is one of the horizontal shaper. बरोबर, हा वरचा जो पार्ट आहे दॅट इज अ रॅम. ब्लू कलरचा वरचा पार्ट व्हाईट, छोटी व्हाईट पट्टीच्या वरती बघा, दॅट इज अ हॉरिझॉन्टल शेपर हॅव्हिंग हॉरिझॉन्टल रॅम. आणि रॅमच्या पुढे रॅम सुटेल आहे. इन दॅट रॅम सुटेल देर इज अ रॅम टूल पोस्ट, and in the tool post tool is held and there is a surface table is there at here. That surface table can be linearly mounted up and down as well as in horizontal direction also. Okay, and that on that surface table with the help of vice you have to fix the job, and on that fixed job that tool will be moving with the help of this reciprocating ram. That is your hydraulic shaper or horizontal shaper. Then vertical shaper, so that tool is linearly moved on that ram vertically. That is a vertical shaper. This is the hydraulic shaper. That in that bath there is a reservoir, oil is there, and with the help of that pump, that oil can be supplied to the ram piston here, and ram can be moved forward and backward direction. So that is the cutting stroke is shown in that. So the cutting stroke is forward stroke. Forward stroke laga होणार आहे. That pump will suck the some oil and give some pressure to that ram. So that ram will advance in the against the workpiece with the help of some depth of cut. So that is your hydraulic shaper for particular use of the shaping machine. Then these are the main parts of the crank shaper. So crank mechanism is ठिकाणी the crank mechanism is ram driven होतो. That's why it is a crank shaper. Then these are the principal parts of any shaper. Base is there for holding it on the surface step. बरोबर, एखाद्या वर्कपीस एखादा जॉब मला मशीन मला ठेवायचं सरफेसवर कंपनीमध्ये. So that base can be grounded at any area. So that base is there. Then a vertical column is there. And with the help of this table, with the help of this surface table, we can move that in and out direction. That is a this column and table. So these are the important parts of the. So this is your important parts of any shaper machine. Base, column, table is there for surface table for holding the workpiece. Then that table can be moved up and down with the help of this cross rail. Then vertical ram is there, not vertically, vertical column la linear radially attached केलेली ram आहे, and पुढे ram च्या पुढे काय tool head आहे for holding that workpiece. So that is a particular ram reciprocating in that forward direction. So these are the number of parts of any shaping machine. Then importantly, we will go for the next part. These are the number of parts of that machine, shaping machine, table, ram, tool head. So principle of working. The job is rigidly fixed on the machine table. The single point cutting tool held properly in the tool post is mounted on a reciprocating ram. The reciprocating motion of the ram is obtained by a quick return motion mechanism. बरोबर, आज आपल्याला ते शिकायचं व्यवस्थित क्विक रिटर्न मोशन काय आहे. बरोबर. सो आय एम शेअरिंग अनदर. एक मिनिट, some message is there from student. So this is a shaping machine. So principle of working is with the above is quick return mechanism. We will study that what is that exactly quick return mechanism. आपण एकदा बघूया परत एकदा. Quick return mechanism काय आहे ते? Just a minute, I will share another screen. We will study that quick return mechanism. Directly go to the video first of all, because some students have the practical micro on this quick return mechanism. मग ते कशा प्रकारे करायचं बघूया सध्या. स्क्रीन शेअर होते स्टुडंट. हॅलो स्टुडंट्स.
होतोय सर.
क्विक रिटर्न मेकॅनिझम कसं वर्क होतं बघायचं. स्टुडंट स्क्रीन झालं का शेअर? So this is the quick return mechanism.
हो सर होतोय.
So this is a rotating crank is there, and on that crank, the crank pin is there, slotted pin, and in that pin, that crank is moving. So unlike a normal cyclic mechanism, the forward reciprocating motion is slower than the return stroke. So return stroke कसा असतो? फास्ट असतो आणि फॉरवर्ड स्ट्रोक कसा आहे? स्लोअर. So this is the actual calculation in this. Time of cutting stroke is angle A, angle B divided by angle B. So अशा प्रकारचं मेकॅनिझम तुम्ही बनवू शकता मायक्रो बजेट साठी. Oh, there is one driving pinion is there, driving gear is there. So different angles are showing for the crank and pinion. So that is a quick return mechanism. So rotating guy, that is a crank, and in that crank there is a pin is hold in that slotted mechanism. Crank pin there, त्या slotted mechanism slotting मध्ये त्या हे केली बरोबर. As per that wrong crank rotates. Crank जसं rotate होतो, ती पिन काय होती त्या slot मध्ये move होती बरोबर linearly. And as that pin is attached with the some reciprocating arm, so that is can be reciprocated with the help of that crank rotation. So that is your quick return mechanism for reciprocating motion of ram, movement of ram. So that is reciprocating movement of ram. So you can simply do this. Macro budget ज्या ग्रुपला दिलेले macro budget, so they can simply make this macro budget.
Grammarly helps you do this. It helps you rewrite whole sentences.
अजून एक व्हिडिओ दोन प्रकारचे पुढे आपल्याला शिकायचं विटवर्थ quick return mechanism. So we'll study that Whitworth quick return mechanism. So this is the Whitworth quick return mechanism. एक रोटेशन झालं बघा. रोटेशन मध्ये काउंट होते. So this is again quick return mechanism of Whitworth mechanism. In location is showing there. So that is vertical, that pin is reciprocating in that given slot. That is Whitworth quick return mechanism. क्रँक काय होती? क्रँक ही ब्लू क्रँक काय रोटेट होती. जी रेड पिन त्या क्रँकला लावली, दॅट इज मूव्हिंग इन स्लॉटिंग बरोबर. इथे स्लॉट मध्ये मूव्ह होत असते. That is Whitworth quick return mechanism. one more is
Success doesn't have to mean getting the corner office.
we'll see one more theoretical mechanism, that is in pretty animated theoretical mechanism. तुम्हाला स्क्रीन दिसतंय का रे? हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, स्क्रीन शेअर होते ना?
हो सर.
आवाज येतो का त्याचा व्हिडिओचा? हॅलो
नाही सर, आवाज नाही येते.
हा ठीक, ऑडिओ नसेल तर लक्षात घ्या. आपण काय आहे
Whitworth quick return mechanism.
विटवर्थ थिओरेटिकल
In this
मेकॅनिझम बघूया.
video, we will discuss about
Yes, sir.
quick return mechanism of the shaping machine. This
Shaping machine आहे.
mechanism is used to convert the rotary motion to reciprocating motion and provide a quick speed on return.
नीट लक्षात घ्या. हे विटवर्थ थिओरेटिकल मेकॅनिझम जे शेपर मशीन कशासाठी वापरतात? टू कन्वर्ट दिस रोटरी मुवमेंट कन्वर्ट इनटू द रेसिप्रोकेटिंग मुवमेंट ऑफ दिस रॅमच्या पुढे काय टूल हेडला टूल लावलेला बा. So this rotary movement of ram is converted, rotary movement of this crank is converted into reciprocating movement of ram. That is the main function of the Whitworth quick return mechanism. लक्षात घ्या सगळ्यांनी.
Flow. Let us see the main parts of the Whitworth mechanism are workpiece,
वर्कपीस आहे तिथे
tool,
टूल लावलं बघ.
ram, base,
So now again I'm sharing the screen. There is a internet problem due to the connection is lost. Again I'm sharing the screen. Just wait. Just a minute, I'm sharing the screen. So now again I'm sharing the screen. Just wait. तो हिंदी मतलब बोल समोर बिगर काय Just wait. We'll see. तेच बघू आपण परत. आवाज येतो स्टुडंट ना?
my friends.
येतोय सर आवाज.
आता बघू आपण किती रिटर्न मेकॅनिझम परत येतो.
Whitworth quick return mechanism. In this video, we will discuss about Whitworth quick return mechanism of the shaping machine. This mechanism is used to convert the rotary motion to reciprocating motion and provide a quick speed on return stroke. Let us see the main parts of the Whitworth mechanism are
शेपर मशीन आहे. शेपर मशीनचे मेन पार्ट दाखवतात ते. वर्कपीस फोल्ड केलाय. टूल आहे.
tool, ram, base,
हो सर.
table,
चालू लेक्चर मला पहिलं.
ram, pinion, crank pin, crank plate, pull gear, connecting rod,
this is
forward stroke,
a forward stroke is
return stroke of ram,
return stroke fast असतो खूप. That's compared to forward stroke.
sliding block slides on the slot provided on the crank plate. This crank plate is pivoted at the point S eccentrically.
S command ला ती mount केली होती ते crank pin.
The connecting rod connects the crank pin with the ram. When the pinion rotates, full gear rotates, and the sliding block slides over the slot provided on the crank plate. Connecting rod converts the rotary motion of the crank plate to reciprocatory motion of the ram.
So this converts the rotary movement of
Since
this
the
crank
plate
into
is connected
reciprocating
eccentrically,
movement of this ram.
crank plate rotates with respect to the point S. Crank and slotted link mechanism. In this video, we will discuss about crank and slotted link mechanism of the shaping machine. This mechanism is used to convert the rotary motion to reciprocating motion and provide a quick speed on return stroke. The rotary motion of the motor is converted to reciprocatory motion of the ram.
That is the main function of the quick return mechanism.
The parts of the crank and slotted link mechanism
So
are
this is the actual working of shaper machine.
ram, stroke position hand wheel, ram clamping handle, rocker arm, full gear, driving pinion,
Driving pin in it,
full gear sliding block,
and sliding block,
crank pin,
crank pin म्हणतात आपण त्याला.
table,
So first section of the shaper machine.
forward stroke,
This is the forward stroke in which actual cutting is there. Return stroke will be more
return stroke.
return stroke more faster असणार आहे. As it is there is no cutting in the return stroke. That is the main function of the quick return
The
mechanism.
rocker arm is freely fixed to the crank pin.
So that is quick
Rocker
return
arm
mechanism.
sliding block slides in the slot provided in the rocker arm called as slotted link.
Students, so this is the main function of quick return mechanism. So इथं बघू आपण quick return mechanism is used for to convert that rotary movement into linear movement of that reciprocating movement of that ram. That is quick return mechanism. So the job is rigidly fixed on the machine table, and the single point cutting tool held properly in the tool post. The tool head वरती single point cutting tool hold केला आहे, which is mounted on a reciprocating ram. बरोबर, तो tool head कुठे आपण माउंट केला, आपण ram च्या पुढे माउंट केले. The reciprocating motion of the ram is obtained by a quick return motion mechanism. As ram reciprocates, बरोबर, ram क्या होणार आहे, reciprocate होणार आहे during its forward stroke. The tool cuts the material during only forward stroke. During return there is no cutting action. This cutting stroke is called as the idle stroke. बरोबर, हा जो return stroke असतो काय, this return stroke is called as the idle stroke. During return there is no cutting action, and this is called as the idle stroke. The forward and return stroke constitutes one operating cycle of the shaper. Forward stroke as well as return stroke काय करतो, एक one operating cycle of the shaper machine in that one rotation of the crank. So that is your principle of working of the shaper machine. Shaper mechanism again, it is given by this crank and slotted link mechanism. So this rotary is the crank is there, and there is a crank pin is there. In that crank pin is slotted along that slotted link. बरोबर, slot केलेली link त्या slot मध्ये काय होणार, ती crank pin slot movement होती, बरोबर. And there is a driving gear S. Driving gear छोटा gear आता बघितलं आपण त्या मोटर वर लावलेलं होतं. The driving gear rotates that bigger crank. बुल गिअर ज्याला म्हणतो आपण, बुल गिअरला रोटेट करते क्रँक पिन. सो देर इज अ रोटेशन ऑफ दॅट crank, allow that crank pin to slide in that slotted link. The crank pin तेव्हा काय होतं, slide वर slotted link move होती. That is why it is moves in that slotted link, and that allows the reciprocating movement of this RAM. RAM काय करतं, RAM चं reciprocating movement होतं. So that is main function of this shaper machine. That principle of working is depend upon this crank and slotted link mechanism. So this crank and the slotted link mechanism gives the rotary movement converted into the reciprocating movement of the RAM. ज्या RAM ला पुढे काय केलं आपण, टूल हेडला पुढे कनेक्ट टूल केलेलं आहे. That is what tool is also reciprocating along that workpiece. So this is actual जे आपण 3D view मध्ये आता बघितलं आपण, बरोबर. This green color is the crank, and that is having that black crank pin which slots along that, which moves along that slotted link. The slotted link white मध्ये काय होणार, ती crank pin move होणार आहे, and that allows your blue color, dark blue color, बरोबर. हा ब्लॅक कलरचा रॅम आहे. रॅमला पुढे काही त्यांनी टूल हेड लावलं, टूल हेड मध्ये टूल लावलंय, बरोबर. दॅट ब्लॅक कलर रॅम विल बी रेसिप्रोकेटिंग. That rotary movement is converted to the reciprocating movement. So that is your main function of the shaper machine called as a quick return mechanism. So this is your shaping machine. These are the different shaping operations are there. Again, we will see that quick return mechanism in order to reduce the time waste during the return stroke. So आपण बघितलं रिटर्न स्ट्रोक कसं आहे, रिटर्न स्ट्रोक इज आयडल. There is no cutting action in that return stroke. So to reduce the time wasted, time waste आपल्याला कमी करण्यासाठी we have to bring that return stroke somewhat more quickly. So shaping machines are filled with a quick return mechanism, usually of the crank and slotted link design. That is your main function of this quick return mechanism. Again, these are the quick return mechanism shown in quick return mechanism. The RAM is driven by a slotted link which pivots at the lower end, and it's attached to the RAM by a loose connecting rod at its upper end. The slotted link engages with the crank pin mounted on the driving wheel, which rotates at constant speed and causes the link to oscillate and the RAM to reciprocate. The rotary movement of RAM crank काय होतं, त्यामुळे RAM काय होतो, reciprocate होतो फॉरवर्ड अँड बॅकवर्ड डायरेक्शन मध्ये, बरोबर. गिअर बॉक्स कंट्रोल द स्पीड ऑफ द ड्रायव्हिंग पिनियन. बरोबर, गिअर बॉक्सच्या साहाय्याने ते ड्रायव्हिंग पिनियनचा स्पीड आपल्याला कंट्रोल करता येतो. This providing a range of the speeds of the RAM. That is your quick return mechanism, again showing in that. So these are the cutting tools, metal shapes and sizes. Shaper are used to make many different. कंटिन्यू करू का, ती मीटिंग वाटतं का अकरा वाजता, आम्ही डाटा नोट भरलो ना. बरं मी टाकतो त्याला लिंक, आता लगेच लिंक टाकलं बरोबर, करतो त्याला. So shaper machines are used this cutting tool material. Shapers are used to make many different cuts on flat surfaces. Most shaper cutting tools are made of high speed steel, that is HSS. ज्याप्रमाणे आपण लेथ टूल बघतो, लेथ machine also uses this high speed steel tool for cutting very hard metal. Tungsten carbide tool also used. Tungsten carbide tools are used. Then shaper cutting tools are ground for cutting horizontally, right or left. So vertically right or left, and for grooving, cutting tool shapes varies with the material to be machined and the type of cut required. So that is your cutting tool shape varies with the material to be machined and the type of cut required. So that is your shaper machines. Different tools are there, high speed steel tools, or maybe your cutting tool are called as the tungsten carbide tools for cutting vertically right or vertically left, for grooving also. Cutting tool shape varies with the material to be machined and the type of cut required. कटिंग टूलचा शेप सुद्धा काय असणार आहे, तुम्हाला कशा प्रकारचं कट पाहिजे त्याप्रमाणे त्याचा शेप यू कॅन चेंज ऍज पर रिक्वायरमेंट. हा सर, बरं बघा. So students, that is different cutting tool materials are used as per your requirement. These are the different cutting tools used on the shaper, like your lathe machine tool, बरोबर. That is a shape single point cutting tool. That is nomenclature of single point cutting tool. It is important part as per our lathe point also. Lathe machine सुद्धा अशा प्रकारचे single point tool महत्वाचे आहे. जो holding part असतो त्या holding part is called as a shank and the further part is called as a flank. Actual cutting edge त्याला काय म्हणतो flank म्हणतो बरोबर. मग major flank is there, minor flank is there. इथे बघा horizontal जी मेजर फ्लॅंक आहे, मेजर साइज आहे, that is major flank. आणि क्रॉस सेक्शन मध्ये दिसते छोटी, that is minor flank. That is the face of the tool. Then these are the cutting edges. Cutting part दाखवला cutting edges. Then there is a corner is there. That corner is having radius somewhat. That is your single point cutting tool having different nomenclature. Then these are the different types of cutting tools used in the shaper machines. These are the different types of cutting tools used in the shaper machines having different shapes as per your desired product. तुम्हाला कशा प्रकारचं product machine करायचं आहे त्याप्रमाणे त्याचे different types of cutting shapes are used of the on the shaper machine. Now these are the operations performed on the shaper machine. These are the number of operations which can perform on shaper machine. So operation involving shaping at a rectangular job. These are the shape machining the thin job on shaper. Machining the thin job on shaper machine. Then cutting an angle on a large job. Cutting a dovetail bearing on a shaper. Then shaping a V or a block. Then shaping an irregularly curved surfaces. Cutting a keyway on the shaper when the keyway log does not extend the entire length of the shaft. So these are the number of operations performed on the shaper machine. Machining angular surfaces on shapers. Sequence of machining on side of a rectangular piece of square. So these are the advantages of shaper. The single point tool used in the shaper are inexpensive. That is not having so cost. These tools can be easily rounded to any desirable shape. That is one of the लेक्चर कट झाला जॉइन करू नका. मी तुम्हाला एक महत्त्वाची विषय सांगतोय. स्टुडंट्स एम आय ऑडिबल क्लिअरली? लेक्चर कट झाला जॉइन करू नका. कंटिन्यू तुम्ही अभ्यास करत बसा. मी तुम्हाला एक महत्त्वाचा विषय सांगतोय. तुम्हाला एक नोटबुक करायची बरोबर. स्टुडंट आवाज येतो का माझा क्लिअरली? हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, एक नोटबुक करायची आहे. त्या नोटबुकवर तुम्हाला असाइनमेंट वाईज मी क्वेश्चन देणार आहे बरोबर, चॅप्टर वाईज. पहिला चॅप्टर संपला आपला. पुढच्या लेक्चरला मी काही क्वेश्चन देईल तुम्हाला पहिल्या चॅप्टरवर. ते तुम्हाला त्या नोटबुक मध्ये लिहायचे ऍज वेल एज प्रॅक्टिकलचे जॉब करायचे. समजा आपल्याला फॉर एक्झाम्पल प्रॅक्टिकल म्हणजे जॉब बघायचे, जॉबचं ड्रॉइंग पण तुम्हाला काढायचं त्याच्यावर. तर मी तुम्हाला पुढच्या लेक्चरला एक तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी नोटबुक करायची. त्याच्यावर डिपेंड अपॉन फर्स्ट चॅप्टर बरोबर. लेथ मशीनचा जो चॅप्टर संपला आपला मशीनिंग ऑपरेशन, त्याच्यावर मी तुम्हाला काही क्वेश्चन देणार आहे बरोबर. आजचा लेक्चर कट झाल्यानंतर जॉईन करू नका ड्यू टू सम वर्क. आय कुड नॉट जॉईन अगेन. सो बरोबर. इज इट क्लिअर स्टुडंट? तर पुढच्या लेक्चर पर्यंत सगळ्यांनी बुक करायची एमपीआर सब्जेक्ट साठी बरोबर. ते सब्जेक्ट त्या बुक मध्ये तुम्हाला डिपेंड अपॉन युअर क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट चॅप्टर आय विल टू गिव्ह द सम क्वेश्चन्स सम असाइनमेंट्स बरोबर. ते त्या बुक मध्ये कंप्लीट करायचे. इज इट क्लिअर स्टुडंट्स? हॅलो
यस सर.
सगळ्यांनी आणि लेक्चर कट झाल्यानंतर जॉईन करू नका. काइंडली वेट फॉर सम टाइम. काय मेसेज टाकू नका कुठल्या ग्रुपवर बरोबर.
हो सर.
जॉईन करा त्याच्यानंतर. इज इट क्लिअर? सो काइंडली वेट फॉर सम टाइम. Okay, so now you can end up your meeting. Thank you, student. Take care.